I present to you the Baja 2.0. I can't take all the credit for this. This was built at XHP, Extreme Hummer Performance, but we did have something to do with it. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to document that, but we did build this entire outside exo cage. The whole concept of this build was kind of a recovery vehicle, like a Baja recovery vehicle. So it's, you know, single cab and just purpose built. So we actually did all the roll bar fabrication on this. So you got a nice front hoop, got a really cool X bar on top, coming down, big old X brace in the back, everything just kind of following the body lines. If you're familiar with these builds, these Hummers, the slant backs, I believe they call them, just kind of following that same profile, but purpose built, recovery built. So again, we did all the tube work, you know, made all these platings, bent all these parts, real complex stuff. Nice little hoop over here, you know, holding the spare tire, a bunch of little lights and stuff. Seems easy, but everything's really big, so it was a lot of fun. It's got a compound Duramax in it, all the XHP suspension, big Willwoods, big 40s, lots and lots of cool stuff. You can actually head over to their channel and their social media and check out a lot of the videos on this. Baja Designs lights, Baja light bars, really cool custom emblem they made. Just wanted to showcase some of the work that we did and also show off this this build. I thought it was really sick. I love it. I think it came out really good. All right, just a little quickie for you guys. See you later.